Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to hack Pocket Mine free on your iOS or Android device. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, General, Background Refresh, and make sure that Wi-Fi and cellular data is enabled. Once you've done that, go to your browser and search for sideload.dev, just like that guys, sideload.developer, and then press go. And you'll be taken to this page. And here you just want to search for Pocket Mine. There it is, it will say Pocket Mine Free++, so just tap on it and tap Start Injection. As you can see, it will now begin downloading, and by using this method you can get lots and cool stuff like unlimited cash, rubies, tokens, energy, reroll stones. It's really awesome, as you normally have to pay for all those, or just basically progress through the game, but this will make your progress through the game instantly speed up, because you're obviously cheating, but cheating is fun, isn't it guys? So yeah, and as you can see, it's now about to finish, but it does depend on your internet speed, so if your internet's quick, then you'll have an advantage over me during this process. And this is the last step. As you can see, it'll say injecting, and it'll say please install 2 free apps to finish the injection process. So I'm going to do exactly that and demonstrate to you that this does work. So what you want to do is just download 2 free apps. There we go. And now download the second one, just like so. Swipe up, or press the home button, or basically just go to your home screen, and as you can see, this one's already done, so just open it and run it for 30 seconds. Once you've been running your app for 30 seconds, you don't have to pay for anything. As you can see, this one's demanding $13 a month. That's a lot. You don't have to pay for anything, as I said. So yeah, you just want to count to 30 in your head and make sure that you've been running the app for 30 seconds. After that is over, you can just go to your home screen, go to your second app, and do the same thing here. So as you can see, this is a meditation app, and you just want to run it for 30 seconds as well. So just count 30 in your head, and after you've done that, just swipe up or go to your home screen, swipe again, and you'll see Pocket Mine Free++ is being installed, injected, and downloaded onto your device, just like that. It's really simple to do, and you should go ahead and try it. So yeah, and if you do not see your app, then make sure that you are running the apps for longer that you downloaded, or download more, or restart your device, because that sometimes helps as well, as it can be on your end or on our server end. So yeah guys, that's about it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next one guys. Peace out.